The truth about dangerous pancreas foods. Ever wondered what foods could be harmful to your pancreas? It's crucial to identify and avoid them to maintain your pancreatic health. Let's uncover the top 10 most dangerous foods that could put your pancreas at risk and affect your overall well-being. The pancreas plays a vital role in your body by producing enzymes that aid in digestion and hormones that regulate blood sugar levels. Without a healthy pancreas, your body would struggle to process nutrients and maintain stable blood sugar. Our first culprit is fried foods. These are high in unhealthy fats, which can overload and damage the pancreas. Consuming fried foods regularly can lead to inflammation and other pancreatic issues, making it essential to limit their intake. Next up is red meat. Its high fat content can cause inflammation and stress the pancreas. Regular consumption of red meat has been linked to an increased risk of pancreatic problems, so choosing leaner protein sources is a healthier option. Alcohol is a known enemy of the pancreas. Drinking alcohol frequently can lead to pancreatitis and other severe pancreatic conditions. It's vital to moderate your alcohol intake to protect your pancreas and maintain your overall health. Processed meats are loaded with preservatives and unhealthy fats, which spell trouble for your pancreas. These additives and fats can cause inflammation and disrupt normal pancreatic function, leading to long-term health issues if consumed regularly. Sugary drinks spike your insulin levels, putting immense stress on your pancreas. The sudden surge in sugar requires your pancreas to work overtime to produce insulin, which can wear it down over time, potentially leading to diabetes. Full-fat dairy products are another source of unhealthy fat that can harm the pancreas. Consuming these rich, fatty foods can strain your digestive system and pancreas, making it harder for your body to process nutrients efficiently. Pastries and sweets are high in sugar and fat, making them a dual threat to your pancreas. The combination of these elements can lead to insulin spikes and additional fat intake, both of which strain pancreatic function. Refined carbs like white bread and pasta quickly turn into sugar in your body, straining your pancreas. Constantly processing these sugars can wear down your pancreas, increasing the risk of developing insulin resistance and other metabolic issues. These foods are harmful to the pancreas because they either contain unhealthy fats, excessive sugars, or harmful chemicals, all of which can cause inflammation, stress, and impaired function. Over time, this can lead to severe issues like pancreatitis or diabetes. Signs that your pancreas might be in trouble include abdominal pain, nausea, vomiting, and unexpected weight loss. Chronic fatigue and digestive issues may also indicate pancreatic stress. If you experience these symptoms, it's essential to consult a healthcare professional. To keep your pancreas healthy, consider incorporating more nutritious alternatives into your diet. Opt for foods that are low in unhealthy fats, sugars, and preservatives. These changes can significantly reduce the risk of pancreatic issues and improve overall health. Instead of reaching for sugary snacks, choose fruits and vegetables. These provide natural sugars and essential nutrients without overloading your pancreas. Whole foods are generally better for maintaining pancreatic health and supporting your body's overall function. Whole grains like quinoa and brown rice are excellent substitutes for refined carbs. They digest more slowly, preventing rapid spikes in blood sugar and reducing pancreatic stress. Incorporating these into your diet can make a significant difference in your health. Instead of fried foods, try baking or grilling. These cooking methods significantly reduce unhealthy fats, making your meals easier on your pancreas. Plus, they help retain more nutrients, ensuring your body gets the vitamins and minerals it needs for optimal health. Opt for lean proteins like chicken or fish instead of red meat. Lean proteins are lower in fat, reducing the risk of pancreatic inflammation. They also provide essential amino acids necessary for body repair and growth, promoting overall well-being. Limit your alcohol intake and opt for non-alcoholic beverages. Excessive alcohol can lead to pancreatitis and other severe health issues. Non-alcoholic alternatives like herbal teas, flavored water, or fresh juices can be equally enjoyable and far healthier for your pancreas. Choose natural sugars like those in fruits instead of sugary drinks and sweets. Natural sugars are easier for your body to process and provide essential nutrients and fiber. They prevent insulin spikes, reducing stress on your pancreas and keeping your blood sugar levels stable. Switch refined carbs for whole grains like quinoa and brown rice. Whole grains digest more slowly, preventing sudden sugar spikes and offering sustained energy. They are also rich in fiber, which supports digestion and overall metabolic health, benefiting your pancreas in the long run. Choosing low-fat or non-dairy alternatives can significantly reduce your fat intake and support pancreatic health. Options like almond milk, oat milk, and low-fat yogurt offer delicious and nutritious substitutes without compromising on taste or texture. Stay mindful of your diet to protect your pancreas and overall health. Small changes can make a big difference. Like, share, and subscribe for more health tips to keep you informed and on the path to wellness.